Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing My Zodiac Box. So My Zodiac Box is a monthly subscription box that sends you 4 to 6 items based upon your sign, as well as an astrology reading every month. It's $39.95. I love this box. I just think it's amazing. It is from Think Lucky. It's a Think Lucky company, and I love it. I love it. I love the items I receive. We got that necklace a couple months ago. That's one of my favorite items. All right, so we're going to get a piece of onyx marble because that was right on the top. Every box comes with some stones, and then they have a detailed description why it was included. Every box is themed. I love that. So this is My Zodiac Box. Inside, we're not going to peek over here, okay? Our ancestors worship the sun, and they were not that foolish. It makes sense to revere the sun and the stars, for we are their children. Carl Sagan. We are made of stars. So our last month's box was the moon themed. This is a star themed box, which is really cool. And then we do get a detailed horoscope. This is my August horoscope. I am an Aries. Where are my Aries girls at? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Your first and last week of August lend a hand for romance as the moon transits through your constellation during both of these periods. The middle of August will be dominated by the solar eclipse on the 11th. This eclipse is begging and empowering you to move on in life. An ideal time to contemplate, discuss, and reflect. Debate is tempting, and you're a great debater, Ram. Politics are particularly hot on your mind right now. Avoid arguments during the eclipse, however, as Mercury will still be in retrograde until the 18th, stealing everyone's ability to communicate. Not unlike what Ursula did to Ariel, just saying. The August 26th full moon will restore balance for a few weeks, long enough to get your voice back and sing your heart out. Mermaid jokes aside, this will be an exciting time for chances in your professional life. Get through dull mid-August by preparing to use your talents and defeat the sea witch for that promotion or whatever. Okay, I clearly have a simile addiction, like a moth to a mothball. Wait, ... All right, so that was my horoscope, and now we're gonna pop into this box. First, we have a bath bomb. Yes. Okay, so these are based on the your elements. This is element fire, a sensual fragrant blend, light up your life with romance. This is from Ocean Elemental. It smells fruity, and I'm guessing that for earth, air, and water, there was a blue, a green, or I don't know what they did for air. Not sure. We'd have to see. I'm curious. If you get this box, let me know. I'm curious what they did for air. The color, at least. And the smell, too. What would it be, an air smell? I'm not sure. Anyway, Ocean Elemental. I have received things from them in the past. They make amazing body products. And then we have, what is this? What is this? I don't know. It's some sort of a box. Oh, look. A pre-qualification notice. No, I was kidding. So, I'm actually interested. This is like Pakistan Nuclear Regulatory Authority, Islamabad. Isn't that interesting? Saudi Arabia, required for Saudi Arabian. I'm just when people include newspaper clippings, I am the nerd that looks at like what it says. So that's what I was just doing. But look at this box, how beautiful. Is it? I don't know what this stone is. Made in Pakistan. Amazing. I wanna see what that is. We'll look at the insert then, okay? But first we're gonna get through all these items. Next we have usually our stone is in here, but it doesn't feel like a stone. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. Ooh, so this is our agate. An agate slice is what this is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Has these burnt oranges and reds. And then they do give you a little description. I'll put all this in the full review if you're interested in looking at what it means and all that fun stuff. And then there is another little card in here. Aries, red, increases your enthusiasm, stimulates your energy, calls for action, increases your confidence, provides a sense of security and protection against fear and anxiety. I need that. I have such awful anxiety. All right, so there are those items. I'm wondering if that's the onyx marble that we got. That's that card for. I'm guessing that's what that is. All right. Then, all right. So this is our last item, and this is a necklace. Aries, independent, determined, generous. A 22-inch gold-plated or sterling silver necklace with genuine red aventurine stone. I always thought aventurine was just green. Apparently it's not. It's here on this necklace. It has this winding type design, which is really beautiful. This is from shophenley.com. That is everything that we received in items. Let's look at our insert here, and I will tell you a little more. Air, earth, fire, and water bath bomb and shower treat. So there was also a shower treat option. This is onyx marble, and apparently there was some other, what is this called? An obelisk? Is that what it's called? An obelisk? There was this style. There's the little box that I got. There's a mortar and pestle, and then there was a little vase, whatever. Your agate slice. There's a meteorite somewhere in here. I missed it. And the gemstone necklace for your sign. So let's see if I can find this little meteorite guy. Oh, here it is. Is this it? Oh, I totally missed this. So there's a little piece of a meteorite, which is so cool. It says tiny but powerful. Let's read it. I'm sorry. I'm going to read it. The Campo del Cielo iron meteorite fell 4,200 to 4,700 years ago near Buenos Aires in Argentina. Assists with inner vision, spiritual awakening, access to the other world, can promote great charges quickly, and help in seeing projects through to completion by helping understand the structure necessary to bring an idea into being. Promotes patience, clear sense of direction when approaching problem, emotional balance, persistence, communication, a piece of outer space in your hand, a tangible link to the universe. How cool is that? So I love this. I love this little box. This is gorgeous. What do I put in here? Onyx marble. Isn't it pretty? I love it. I'm glad I received this one too. I think you can do the most with it. So if you're interested, I will link below to my full review. I will also link to my Zodiac box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.